Hey guys, so I'm getting ready to do a little studio Galentine's Day shoot with my senior model team, and I'm going to try to vlog a little behind the scenes for you. So I'm getting all my stuff put together, so I thought I'd show you some of the props that I'm bringing and just try to show you as much as I can of the shoot. So this is meant to be like a fun Polaroid style type shoot. So I just got a couple fun things to bring, like some fake rose petals, flowers. I've got like fun stuff like a cute headband. We probably won't use most of these, but I like to bring as much as I can. And then I also have like this tulle fabric that I might like shoot through on my lens. If you can see, it might make a cool effect here. We'll see how that goes in the studio. I've got some fun props. And then I also got a couple balloons, which I think will be really fun to photograph with as well. And then the studio is going to have a few things I can use as well. So stools, chairs, anything I can get my hands on basically. They say if you can move it, you can use it usually. And so it just depends on what other photographers are using in other studios and what's available. They usually have a really good selection there. So I'll walk you through the lighting setup that I'm going to be using over there as well, and the settings I'm using, and try to get as much vlog footage as I can. I'm going to try to give one of the girls the vlog camera so you can see a little bit more behind the shoots. So I'll see you guys when I get there. Alright guys, I'm going to do a quick voiceover because as always, once I started having the girls come and started photographing them, I was in a hurry to get everybody in. So I didn't have time to really stop and explain everything since I was under a time crunch, because this is just a studio rental place that you can rent out some studio rooms. So I was just going to go over the lighting setup here. I did one main light, as you can see here, and I probably in the future, just because of my style, I'd probably rent another light because I don't love contrasty photos very much, so I did have that reflector there as well that I was using to bounce some light in as well, and it still worked great, but I'm definitely love a lot of light in my photography. And then also with studio, I am just such a movement poser. Like, I love to pose with lots of movement. So the studio space is always a little challenging for me because I have to, you know, modify the posing a little bit into a smaller space. Plus, I always, when they start moving, the light on their face changes so much. So it is a little bit of a challenge for me doing studio just because I don't do it very often, but I love the control aspect of doing studio light, so it was still fun for me. Going over my settings, almost the entire time I was at f8 1/160th of a shutter speed, and then my ISO was about 125, 100. And I stayed with that pretty much the whole time, even when I had group shoots. So that's the nice thing about studio light, is you pretty much don't have to change your settings unless you're doing totally different looks. And so I'm going to let you guys enjoy the rest of the vlog. I try to use different props. I try to just keep the energy high. I had the girls record, so that's why the vlogging is the way it is. So please excuse if there's any shaking or you can't see everything. Obviously they were just doing me a favor, and I think they did a good job. So hopefully you enjoy the vlog. Let me know if you have any questions down below about camera settings or anything like that, and enjoy. Get nice and close, girl. Yeah, cute. So you're gonna face your light. Yeah. No, I gotta get a little bit more of the gap. Yeah, that's cute. And then one more face this way. Good. And then you can like lean on that top hand. Yep. Good. Actually, this one would be cute if you guys want to throw petals on top of her. You guys could, like, someone could stand there probably, and here. Yeah, you can pick some up. Yeah, you're okay. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, whoops. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's see. There's not too much shadows. No, that's good. Good. And then maybe, good. And looking down that way, good. Gorgeous. So cute. Good. That's cute. That's good. Yeah, that's cute. Yes, it's like almost like 70s vibe though. I like that. That's cute. That's good. And then a little farther down. So the same thing? Yes, perfect. And then back on. Yes. have to try to get my all forward. Man, that is strong. It might be okay on the floor, pointed up towards her, Ainsley, unless you can. That might be like, because this is coming in too. Okay. There you go. And then pull it a little farther closer to your face. Yep. Good. There you go. Cute. Good. And then like towards me for one. And then maybe like one in the front. Yeah. Cute. Ooh, that's cute looking down. One. Good. Back up. Good. One closer.